Winters in Rockford can be long, cold, and unforgiving. With snow, ice, and freezing winds, your home is constantly put to the test, and your doors are no exception. While it's easy to focus on insulation and heating systems, your exterior doors play a critical role in protecting your home. Over time, however, old or worn-out doors can compromise safety, comfort, and efficiency. That's where door replacement comes in. Installing new, high-quality doors is one of the most effective ways to support your home's safety during harsh Rockford winters. Improved protection against drafts and heat loss. Drafts are more than just an annoyance. They're a sign that your door is no longer doing its job. Energy efficiency. Old doors often develop gaps, cracks, or worn weather stripping, allowing freezing air to creep inside. This forces your heating system to work harder, raising energy bills. Comfort. Drafts can create cold spots that make certain rooms uncomfortable during the winter. Better replacements. Modern doors are designed with insulated cores, advanced weather stripping, and tighter seals to keep the cold outside where it belongs. By replacing drafty doors, you're creating a safer, more comfortable environment for your family. Structural strength against winter conditions. Snow and ice put strain on older doors, especially those made of wood. Warping and swelling. Rockford's fluctuating winter temperatures can cause doors to expand or contract, making them harder to close properly. Weakened frames. Long-term exposure to moisture can lead to rot or deterioration, leaving doors unstable. New door advantages. Replacement doors made of steel, fiberglass, or composite materials resist warping, swelling, and moisture damage, ensuring consistent performance in winter. A structurally sound door is vital for keeping your home secure and weather-resistant. Enhanced security for peace of mind. Winter conditions can make homes more vulnerable to security risks. Weakened locks or hinges. Old doors with worn hardware may not hold up under pressure. Poor alignment. Warped or damaged doors don't always close tightly, making them easier to breach. Modern upgrades. Many replacement doors include reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant cores that provide stronger protection. During Rockford's long, dark winter nights, knowing your door is secure offers invaluable peace of mind. Moisture and mold prevention. Snow and ice don't just affect the outside of your home. They can seep inside if your door isn't properly sealed. Water intrusion. Melting snow can creep through cracks and gaps, damaging flooring and creating slippery hazards. Mold risk. Moisture that lingers can lead to mold and mildew, impacting both safety and indoor air quality. Better sealing. New doors with advanced thresholds and weatherproofing keep moisture out, protecting your family and your home. This level of protection is especially important in Rockford, where freezing rain and snow are common. Long-term value and savings. While replacing a door may seem like a small update, the benefits add up quickly. Lower heating bills. Energy-efficient doors reduce heat loss and save money on utilities. Fewer repairs. Durable new doors are built to withstand winter conditions, reducing maintenance costs. Increased home value. Buyers in Rockford appreciate homes with upgraded features that can handle harsh winters. Door replacement is both a safety upgrade and a smart investment in your home's future. Final thoughts. For Rockford homeowners, harsh winters are a fact of life, but drafty, damaged, or outdated doors don't have to be. By investing in door replacement, you're reinforcing your home against the elements, enhancing security, and protecting your family from the risks of drafts, moisture, and energy loss. The right replacement door, installed professionally, ensures that your home stays warm, safe, and secure no matter how brutal the Rockford winter becomes. If your doors are showing signs of wear, now is the perfect time to upgrade and prepare for the cold months ahead.